How to play a video in reverse on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the CapCut application on your phone. On this page, tap on New Project. Then go to the Videos section from the top. You can view all your videos over here. Select the video you want to use from here and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. You can now edit this video using the edit options below. Go to the bottom panel and swipe left and tap on the reverse icon from the options. You have now successfully reversed this video. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on Export. This way, you can apply these steps to any video you want. Following these steps, you can easily play a video in reverse on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.